So I didn't find anything that I was looking for. Did see a couple cute things. Now I'm gonna head over to Marshall's and then Target. Alright y'all, I didn't find anything in Marshall's. There is a Burlington Coat Factory next door. Also didn't find anything in there. Now I'm gonna go to Target. Hopefully they'll have something. I think I've been to this Target before and I don't remember if they had much, but I think they had one chair that I was considering. So if all else fails, I'll just probably have to get that. I think I'm gonna go with this lamp.
This one I got to with the jabata. I know get time I did jabata. That cover my face, calling me like bata. Biggie man with you.
I ended up getting a chair, an orange accent chair with the lamp. Now I'm gonna go to Home Goods. I still need like a side table, and then I need to go to a different Target. The one that I went to didn't have a tripod, and since I left my tripod, I just need to get another one.
What's it go? You are go. All depend. They catch it. Ride the foot. On your feet. Die for nothing. What's it go? You are go. All depend. They catch it. Ride the foot. On your feet. Die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to take me to a
So I got some stuff from Amazon. Most of them are from this brand. I can't remember if I got this necklace from there, but it's just a plain little necklace. I've been wearing this one a lot. It's super cute. And got this ring. I think the band itself is gold plated, and I've been stacking it. I feel like that's a good mix. I like how that looks together. And I got this other little heart ring that I love. This one is kind of big. I don't know if it's a 7. I normally wear 6. I don't know if it's a 7. It might be. And then I got a bunch of earrings. This set that I got comes, I think, 6 of them. I'm wearing the smaller ones now. But just a few different sizes. Cute heart shapes. I've been thinking about getting a 3rd piercing, so I probably would wear those. And then I ordered this gold one also a couple months ago. This one is also gold plated. It's like a bamboo pattern. I got this jewelry case from Amazon. It's pretty nice. A few different compartments in it. Pack out the jewelry that I got in there. I won't do my actual jewelry, like the real gold and stuff, but everything else can go in there. I have this chain necklace. This one I also got off Amazon. I think I forgot to show you guys earlier. I wanted a tennis choker necklace, but this one has this little dangly piece on it, and I don't like that. I'm trying to figure out if I should just cut it off. I feel like it makes it look cheap. And also this one doesn't lay flat. I've seen other ones online and I was hoping that this one would be good, but it doesn't lay flat. Let's put this girly there. This one's always good. Instead of wearing my chunky Tiffany necklace, I'll just wear this. I'm not gonna put all the earrings on this thing because I feel like this is just too much to put on and take off. And I have more than enough space in here, so I'll probably just drop them in the box.